Naval Base Guam is a strategically important U.S. naval base located in Apra Harbor. It occupies the Orote Peninsula, providing a commanding view of the surrounding waters. In 2009, Naval Base Guam merged with Andersen Air Force Base. This merger created Joint Region Marianas, a Navy-controlled joint base. The ship repair facility, Guam, once operated beside Naval Base Guam. It was unfortunately closed in 1997 following a base realignment and closure commission recommendation. Naval Base Guam hosts Commander Submarine Squadron 15. Coast Guard Sector Guam also calls the base home. Additionally, Naval Special Warfare Unit 1 is stationed there. The base supports 28 other tenant commands, providing essential resources. It acts as home base for numerous Pacific Command units. The base also supports Pacific Fleet, 7th Fleet, and CB units, enhancing their operational capabilities. The USS Frank Cable is stationed in Guam to support submarines of the 7th Fleet. The USS Emory S. Land changed its home port to Guam to fulfill a similar tender role. Coast Guard Sector Guam operates several ships, including the USCGC Sequoia. Additional Coast Guard cutters include the USCGC Myrtle Hazard, Oliver Henry, Frederick Hatch and Washington. On July 21, 1944, American forces secured Guam from the Japanese Army. Construction of the naval base commenced soon after by the Navy's Lion 6 construction unit. Seabees from the 5th Naval Construction Brigade built the base on the former U.S. Marine Corps barrack site. The Navy used codes like Oak, Acorn, Lion, and Cub to classify bases by size and purpose. A Lion base was designated as a main base for fleet operations. Naval Base Guam was the first named naval operating base. It was later nicknamed the Pacific Supermarket due to its extensive support capabilities. Forward deployed submarines, like the USS Minnesota, now call Guam home.